Do you want to engage your students on the topic of modern slavery this year? At ZOE, we have over 20 years of experience fighting child trafficking on the ground in Southeast Asia.
Our mission is to see the trafficking of children ended around the world, but we can't do it alone. We all have a part to play.
We see the classroom as an important piece in the fight against modern slavery. That's why we are so passionate about bringing modern slavery education to your school and to your students. We want to inspire the next generation to fight for a world free from slavery in all its forms.
For students in high school, we run sessions to complement our Year 9 and 10 geography curriculum. Students learn about the problem of human trafficking and vulnerability factors by going through a real forced labour case together. We look at ZOE's approach to combating trafficking and go through practical ways we can all fight modern slavery.
In our sessions, students learn about the interconnected nature of modern slavery and how many of the products that we buy and consume have a modern slavery footprint. Students come away with a firm grasp on what trafficking looks like today and feel empowered to make a difference.
You might have questions from here about what it looks like to book a ZOE speaker, so we've answered your frequently asked questions in our FAQ series on our website.
We can't wait to see you this year and bring modern slavery education to the next generation.
We'll see you soon.